Live from London, Amazon workers in the UK have gone on strike for the first time today in a dispute over pay. About 300 members of the GMB union who work at the company's fulfillment centre in Coventry are holding industrial action as they demand a wage increase amid big increases in the cost of living. The union balloted workers in December after they claimed to have been offered a 50p an hour increase from the firm, which made £204 million in profits in 2021. Amazon has said it offers competitive pay and that only a tiny proportion of its UK workforce is involved in the strike, with deliveries not being affected. Microsoft says it has reversed a network change that it thinks may be linked to tens of thousands of users worldwide being unable to access its services, including Teams, Outlook and Xbox Live. Down Detector, which tracks websites outages, showed more than 5,000 people in the UK reporting Outlook emails not working earlier today. Thousands of reports were also made in other countries, including the United States, India and Japan. The disruption comes a day after Microsoft reported its sales rose only 2% in the 3 months to December to $52.7 billion, while overall profits falling by 12% to $16.4 billion. EasyJet has lauded a surge in record bookings in January as passengers prioritize travel for the coming year amid signs airlines are finally recovering from the pandemic downturn. Despite the continuing cost of living crisis in the UK and abroad, the airline said current high levels of demand and strong bookings meant it expected to beat market expectations for its profits this year. The company is anticipating 50% growth for its holidays business compared with a year earlier, while above the 30% year-on-year growth it had previously forecast. U.S. plane maker Boeing's losses widened for 2022 amid supply chain issues and production slowdowns, but the company reported its first yearly positive cash flow since 2018 on stronger commercial airplane deliveries. It missed Wall Street's expectations on revenue and earnings per share in the final quarter of the year. Boeing shares, which have risen by more than 70% since September, fell 2.6% in pre-market trading today. Boeing said net losses rose to $5 billion for all of 2022 from $4.3 billion in 2021, while losses from operations rose to $3.5 billion in 2022 from $2.9 billion. And those are your main stories from London at close of business.